Richie. Did you check it for the event? There's this QR code over there. But it's hard to know. She chose it. No. I have like you said, like a month. Really? Yeah, 1 or 2. But she's so calm. Yeah, but she's by herself. She's around other. I don't know her exact age, but like they like grow really fast. Oh. Hi. Someone's right behind me. Hi. Oh my god, his nose is all over my phone. People will ask us like what kind of just like look, I used to make like a bunch of. Oh my goodness, they're going through. Dude, let me show you the dog that I met. I post them. And it's like 30 minutes from me to be No, don't eat it. Hi. Hello. Oh. His name is Tobias. They call him Toby. And then our dog is named Fresh. Aww. One time when the dog was messing with him, I actually won. Okay. Hey guys. Just went to the very cute puppy event, and they had coloring, but I didn't get to finish. Unfortunately, they kicked me out because they were cleaning it up. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna rate it like a 6.5 because you know, if you've seen the Mark food review, I'm not very good at rating things on a scale of 1 to 10. The puppies are cute and they were soft. I just walked by a bunny, and I would go see puppies again, but they would be better if they were kittens, honestly. And then also, then let me finish coloring. I get this pink piece of paper. I actually had more fun talking to my friend Erin rather than petting the puppies, but they were very cute. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe for more stuff. Okay, bye.